I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids, and I have Ariana with me today, and we will show you how to do an easy school hairstyle. I guess it's a lighter braid. So let me turn you around. We just lift up so we can see. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started. La 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 la, la 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 la. Start off by parting the hair down the middle to crown, forming two ponytails, and the rest of the hair goes in a low ponytail. Now let's work with the top left ponytail. Split it to two equal strands, and I will clip one strand out of the way for now. Make 3 equal strands out of the second section and put your right strand over the middle, left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle. Now take a small section from the left strand and put it on the side. Again, right strand over the middle, left strand, put the small section over the side and cross it over the middle. And we will continue making about 5 to 6 strands. With you, I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la. Once your braid reach the middle part line, make a few extra stitches and clip it out of the way for now. With the second ponytail, we're going to make the same step, split it in half and secure one half out of the way. Make 3 equal sections out of the second half and put your left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, then left strand over the middle, and before you cross your right strand over the middle, take a small section out. Now cross your right strand over the middle, left strand over the middle, right strand. Before you cross it over the middle, take a small strand out, and I will take again about 5 to 6 strands before I secure my braid with a clip. Now combine your 2 braids and tie them together with an elastic. I'm using a bit of a spray gel to keep my strands nice and neat. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Pick up the second half from your ponytail, split it to 3 equal strands, cross your right strand over the middle, left strand, add the feathered out strand to that and cross it over the middle, right strand over the middle. On the left side, add feathered out strand to the left strand and cross it over the middle, right strand over the middle, left pick up feathered out strand, add it to the left strand and cross it over the middle. Continue until you've picked up all the strands, then make extra few stitches, and for now secure the braid with a clip. Somehow, let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. And we repeat the same steps on the other side. Split your ponytail to 3 equal strands. Now cross your right strand over the middle, add the feathered out strand to it, and then the left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, and add the feathered out strand to it, left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, pick up feathered out strand and add to it, left strand over the middle. Continue until you've picked up all that strands and make a few extra stitches in the end and tie your braid for now with a clip. To appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you
I'm going to make a simple French braid out of the middle ponytail, so split it to 3 equal strands and put left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle. I'm only making a few stitches until the braid reaches the ponytail. Now combine all the braids together and tie them with an elastic. And combine your braids to the low ponytail using another hair tie. Now I'm wrapping a strand of the hair around the hair tie to hide it using a topsy tail tool. And let's do a final spin.
Behind, knowing there is more in life that I want.
I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that we used in this video, I will link down below in the description box. And we will see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!